Hi there, students. Intra, the prefix intra. And I want to contrast this with the prefix inter. So intra. Intra means inside, within a single thing, inside something that's going on inside something. Whereas inter means between two different things. So the first example I always think with this is the difference between internet and intranet. Okay, an intranet is like an internet but inside a company and only for the members of that group. So, for example, a university could have an intranet. Yeah, these are communications within the members of the group. Whereas internet goes outside. It's between different groups. I was thinking about this word interstate. In the US, they use the word interstate to talk about roads that go from one state to another. But you could have an intrastate road, which only goes around within the one state. It doesn't go to another state. So interstate, between two different states. But intrastate, inside that state. And that shows how they are different. Okay, so intra, inside, yeah, whereas inter, between. Okay, so you could have an interdisciplinary approach to something. Yeah, a way of doing something using different disciplines, using mathematics, biology, economics, sociology, and combining the knowledge of all of those things, interdisciplinary, between the different subjects. Or you could have intradisciplinary, just within one field. Yeah, so just within the field of biology, or just within the field of economics. Okay, so this is the difference. Intra talks about within, inside the stated place. So an intra-family dispute, yeah, intra-family arguments, these are arguments inside the family. But an inter-family argument is between different families. Okay, so inter gives this idea of between different ones. In stock market trading, you have an intraday high. This is the maximum figure within a single day. Yeah, okay, because prices go up and down. The intraday high is the highest point during that day. Yeah, during that day, during that period of time. Okay, so intra, it talks about inside. Intravenous, yeah, goes inside the veins, and yeah, an intravenous drip, yeah, the surgeons put a needle into the vein and then put saline to go into that vein. Intravenous, because intervenous would be between different veins. That would be something completely different. Okay, so don't confuse inter and intra, because they really are quite different. Yeah, intra talks about inside, in the interior of something, within something. Okay, the intraocular eye pressure, yeah, that's to measure glaucoma. Okay, the pressure within the eye, inside the eye. Okay, okay, and then inter, between different things. So intra comes from Latin directly, intra, meaning within. Whereas inter also comes from Latin, but it means between two different things. So within and between. Intra, within. Inter, between. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Intra versus inter. Prefixes.